Hi, in today's video, we're going to test whether the reference data in our table matches the expected list of values. Let's dive right in and create a validation rule. We'll give it an appropriate name. Now, let's set up the source connection. In this case, it's AdventureWorks, schema that's person, and the table phone number type. Let's preview the data. We have three distinct phone number types: cell, home, and work. Now, let's add a check for this. Our test case is to verify whether the name column contains all the expected reference values. We'll do this by choosing the contains check and selecting the name column. Let's add the reference values, cell, home, and work. Let's save our check. We'll publish our rule and execute our rule. The rule is executed with status success. Thus, we have successfully validated that our reference table phone number type contains only three phone types: cell, home, and work. Thank you.
With iceDQ, automate data migration testing, ETL and big data testing, BI report testing, and production data monitoring. Get iceDQ today.